Guys, so we're back with Minnie and her babies. These babies will be 6 weeks tomorrow. Today is Tuesday the 14th. Tomorrow's Wednesday the 15th. And they will be 6 weeks tomorrow. So this is a new setup. It's still the plastic, a soft blanket, and nothing but puppy pad. I had to double them up and tape them because they are pooping and peeing everywhere. And it has become a lot of work, which I knew it was going to be. But now they're strictly on walking around on puppy pads because it saves me so much time. I'm going to put the camera right here to record them. Oh, and another thing about the setup, of course it's the gate. And then the crate, I put it that way. So I'm able to open the door on that side and let Minnie get in and feed them without having to carry her and put her in there or whatnot. But she's really not feeding them too much anymore. So they're so cute. And all they want to do is play. I barely gave them those brand new chew toys that I had bought on Target clearance. And I'm washing the rest of their chew toys because they get full of potty. Because they're yucky little babies. So they're playing with those. And like I said, Minnie is not feeding them as much. She's really done, you can tell. So they are eating a lot of solids. They have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's still soggy food. I make it really soggy. I soak it for about 20 minutes. And once I give it to them, it's gone within a minute or less. They're hungry. They're growing. So I'm just going to put the camera down. And I'm just going to let them do whatever they want. I'm just going to... Sorry. I'm just going to let them play. And we'll just see what they do. Minnie. So handsome. Alrighty guys, like I said, these babies will be 6 weeks old tomorrow. They go get their shots tomorrow. Thanks for watching.